Hey y'all. Yeah, so it's been a hot minute. We are back. We're gonna do some more Spark stuff today. Specifically, what are we doing? I don't remember. My brain is not so good. I'd like to play here. Okay, sorry, I'm just gonna get the music started and hope my brain catches up while I'm starting the music. Odds are low, but you know, optimism. Okay, yeah, there we go. So we're going to do a little bit of Spark stuff, and we're going to do a little bit of Iceberg stuff. And we're going to continue from yesterday. So yesterday we were doing Spark IPv6, all kinds of fun. And we found like a kind of esoteric bug. We've got to fix. It failed CI though, so we're going to have to go in and take a look at it. So yeah, let's. God damn it! Sorry. Computers are a dumpster fire. Where's my mouse? Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Cool. Okay, and then we switch to code mode. Damn it. The little camera that I use to track isn't working as well. I wonder. I hope it's not broken. It's like one of those Kickstarter, projects. Which are of course great, but sometimes. Okay. So we did the tweet. Now we go to github.com, Apache Spark, and we're going to take a look at the pull request that we made yesterday. And we're going to find out what went wrong with it. So yeah, we see we've got the little red X of doom. Good news though, the two people who reviewed it both were like, hell's yeah. So scroll down, take a look at that, get that little dopamine hit. LGTM and LGTM. Thanks, Dongchun. And thanks, Merdul. It always feels nice when people are like, happy with code. Okay, so failed though. So let's take a look. What failed? Running Spark on Kubernetes failed. That's probably unrelated, but I wouldn't say for sure though, because we did actually change something here. Okay, what test failed? Oh, interesting. Okay, the Kubernetes suite line 470 failed. I believe this is most likely unrelated. Especially because building the modules failed? What jobs failed? I want to find what failed. Ah, interesting. Okay, cool. Okay. This is indeed a bug in RPR. Okay. We will fix. So essentially, it was detecting a host name as an IPv6 string, which it is clearly not. So we will do this. Are we on the right branch? Okay, yeah, we are. Yeah. Okay, brain. Yeah, this is from like screwing around on personal project stuff last night. Okay. Okay, and so this is going to come from inside of utils normalize. Let's go to utils.scala, normalize IP if needed. Okay, is this a v6 address? Okay. So here what we're going to do is we're going to say match digits, or yeah. So then what we'll do is we'll switch this, actually. So this will simplify it a little bit. Is this a v6 address? And so I don't know for sure if this is going to work or not. But essentially what was happening before is we were picking up things that were domain names, because you can also pass in domain. Although I don't, in my head, this isn't a valid, but okay, sure, whatever. It's passed in for some tests, so we might as well support it. Okay. Do I have an SBT session up already for this? No, I don't think so. Actually, yeah, let's, just to be sure, because I don't like it when they stomp on each other. I do have an SBT session up. Or no, is that Bloop? Yeah, that's Bloop. Okay. And we don't have to worry about Bloop. Bloop runs in its own little directory. Cool. So that's a place for us to start. I don't know if this regular expression we wrote is accurate or not, right? Like this, but is this a v6 address? And sometimes we ask users to add v6 inputs, v6 addresses, stirs, but they're not always there. They're not always there. They're not always there. If it's just numbers and toots, here's a v6 address. Technically, actually, yeah. This could be a problem. Now that I'm thinking about it some more. I need to rewrite this to be a little bit more aggressive. So Because, for example, a valid host name oh, interesting. That's treated as an IP address. Can a host name be all integers? Is this possible? Ah, good. RFC will answer my question. We want to make sure we don't match valid host names. Okay. Valid host name, regular expression. Context around all host names. Cool. Okay. Yeah, that sounds accurate. Okay, let's go back to here. Okay. So yeah, that means our regular expression, not overly surprisingly, is not working. Is Gretchen here? Why is this RE not matching? Okay. Okay, so the RE is matching. Okay, let's go ahead and look up the Scala regular expressions. Because, like, my memory of this shit is pretty fuzzy. Okay. So... Okay. Why is this not matching? Oh, is it that? Maybe it's that. Maybe we don't need to escape that, and that's why it's having a bad time? No. Okay. What did this regex used to be? Okay. So. Okay. Okay. That should pass, because it's like pretty close to our original regex. Except it's not. Interesting. Okay. 0 to 1. If host contains doot, then if okay. What exactly is the difference between these two regular expressions, I guess? Regular. Oof. Hmm. Oh, probably Amazon. Yeah, okay. Interesting. So this is... I'm confused. Okay, whatever. Let's go ahead. We're going to run... Let's see if that works. I'm going to enter it on this regex. Okay. Okay. So that's a reasonable-ish start. What about if we do... I don't know if it's going to work or not. We'll find out. Alright, whatever. and then is that accurate? Yeah. Yeah, okay, so that should do the trick. So now, here's the question. If we do this, will that do the trick? Or will it blow up in our face? Some invalid addresses are treated as C6 addresses, but since they are not valid host names, double check this. I have not. It's something that I meant to play with, but I use Emacs and okay, it's prove matching, on host names, so we can go on host names where tests, so specified. Cool. Oh, God, man. God damn it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Progress. Now up next, let's go over to Iceberg. But yeah, no, great question, Rishi. Just not something that I've done. Okay. So it's been a really long time since I did anything in Iceberg. So it's going to take a minute. Damn it, I have too many. There we go. Unless they renamed it. Nope, looks like they haven't. Okay. Let's double check. Make extra sure that the main branch is still, yep, still that legacy name. Okay. Yeah, for sure. So this is kind of a hack, I think. Or this is going to be kind of a hack. I don't really know what I'm doing inside of this code base. So well, so if you're building Spark on a local machine, SBT is the best build. If you want to play around with it, you know, deploying it on like Minikube or MicroK8s or something like that is a really good approach. Okay, there's a whole bunch of different committers. Damn it. Which, I mean, that's fine. Okay, let's go look inside of transaction. Yeah, no, they're not super clear. Let's take a look. Let's see here. I would like this is I would use SBT if I was developing locally, and then this is also how I would run the individual tests. That's what I would do. But yeah, it's confusing when a project has multiple build tools. I agree. Oh yeah, this is just a generic. Hmm. Okay. Okay. What could we do? Snapshot producer. Current metadata. Iceberg stage transaction. Yeah. Oh, hi, AK. I mean, yeah, so Dask might be a nice project. It's got a bunch of like sort of related projects that are all kinds of fun. I don't know about the schema. Like, Iceberg fork a table. Yeah, okay. Let's slow this down. Oh, nope, that was the opposite direction. Okay. mean, I think arrow's really cool. It's probably not the easiest place to start, though. Take a look at how we're doing it over here. Iceberg. What's the table comparison? Do magic by Iceberg. Okay. Iceberg. Yeah. I don't want to watch a video. Okay. Actually, maybe we can just use the WAP workflow. This might be enough. Is there any limitations with Python libraries when working with Spark? Yeah, actually, so there's a whole bunch of limitations when it comes to serialization. And so essentially everything that you work with in Spark, the results from your functions need to be serializable, and that's not always a given. Actually, yeah, we can probably just use the WAP pattern. Does that make sense? Let's see here. So okay. This is going to be, let's go take a look at so in both situations, what we'll do is we'll run in WAP mode. Then we need to parse the logs. Actually, yeah, never mind. Never mind. I can use the WAP pattern. I'll just think we could do this with a small extension Iceberg as well, so that the logs contain the table names. So there is. It's not a great UI. Let's see if I've got a copy of. Probably don't actually. Let's go over. Yeah. Here, you can probably find a picture of the Spark UI faster than I can do that. So the Spark UI directed acyclic graph shows. Let's find it. Yeah. So this shows the flow of the data. You can find this on localhost if you're running Spark in local mode. Super convenient. I use it all the time for debugging. It's super important. Super key. So I think what I can do is probably just extend this out a little bit. This is a bit of a hack. By a bit of a hack, I mean kind of a lot of a hack, but that's not. Okay, so I think we can do this just inside of snapshot producer. Where's that? I kind of just want to dump the table name at the same time. Snapshot producer is templated on type this T. Let's go take a look. This is actually 1v1 potato fries, but I do love booty mashup, like a lot, a lot. Actually, I have this book by Booty Mashups, Adriana, from her adventures at Burning Man. I'm gonna probably read a little bit of it at lunch. Yeah, she's really awesome. Okay. Table metadata to table name. Okay. I'm not a good DJ, but thank you. So give us the specs. This gives us the location. Think. Well, what do we do with location here? Okay. So I have the table metadata object. I want to know the table name. I mean, I guess I could print out the table metadata file location. That's probably... probably close enough. I think... Or is that actually... Maybe I can just do this. God damn it. Not quite what I want, but that's okay. I guess, base Metastore operations. Okay. Hmm. This adds a snapshot. We don't commit it necessarily. Well, we add a snapshot, we have to commit the snapshot. Interesting. Fuck. So part of me, here's the thing. Like, what I want to do is I want to bubble the snapshot ID up, but like the return type here is void and it's public, and so changing it to an int or a long, whatever it is, atomic long. Yeah, changing it to a long is probably not a great plan. Interesting though. Maybe. Actually, yeah. So maybe we can register as a listener. that would mean that we don't even have to change the code here. If event okay. Let's go take a look over here. Iceberg listeners. So maybe we can actually do this as an Iceberg listener instead of parsing. So, okay, yeah, we've got two options. We can parse the logs. Not great. We can write a listener. Maybe a little bit better. Let's see. Okay, they've got it in 013. Do they have it in 09? They do. Do they have it in 08, 07? Okay, yeah. So I think what we'll do is we'll end up writing a Iceberg listener. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to work on an Iceberg listener. Fudge, though, because we're going to have to make a new project. Am I going to have to make a new project? Brain. Probably, yeah. Okay, that's fine. So first things first. Yep. Okay. To create snapshots using what pattern? Using Iceberg in legacy mode. Using Iceberg in WAP mode. And okay. Metavars are branch name, input tables, output tables. What would the other thing that we would want to put in there? Oh yeah. Iceberg listener spark conf. Can I do this? Iceberg listener. So what I'm looking at, what I'm thinking about right now is where we can put our hook so that we can automatically register ourselves. Spark driver startup hook. I don't want to use a broadcast because I really only want this to be on the driver. That's JVM startup hook. Is there an inverse equivalent? There's no startup hook. Damn it. Okay, so we could either go ahead and make okay. Java agent example. Okay, Java agent Scala example. Oh. Wait, what? I have no idea. Aspect-oriented programming. Oh god. Oh. Yeah, I don't remember. Okay. This doesn't look very current. Does it? This is hopefully out of date. Let's go to GitHub. Maybe this is current. Oh, and this isn't for building agents. Okay, so like we could either go make a Java agent in Scala. So yeah, we could either make a Java agent that's going to bootstrap. I don't love this. Okay, what are we going to do here, I guess? Iceberg dash SBT Scala project template. Okay, let's Iceberg plugin for dynamic okay, that's Iceberg plugin Iceberg plugin for WAP for dynamic WAP. For dynamic, I guess, okay, so we've got two options. I can either go down this like kind of gnarly path, which is like probably the right way to do it. Or the more that we like, the more that I think about this, the more like kind of like I get about doing it this way, and I kind of just want to like do some use Iceberg in WAP mode. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. we're going to go over here. Well, should we do it the right way? I feel like maybe we should, because these log files get kind of gnarly, and regexing these log files is probably going to suck. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, yeah, WAP is right. I want to say audit publish. And so it's the idea that you write all of this data, then you check it before you make the table go live. And then you go from there. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Add generated Iceberg. Fuck. I mean, it depends on your definition of cheap, I guess. Yeah. I use. Oh yeah. I mean, there are. Like Raspberry Pi colocation, if you want to like mail. Wow, that's expensive. So dollar and IP address. Okay. And that website doesn't work. That's not a great sign. Yeah, okay, $80 or 80 euros a year. I do have like a sketchy plan to set up Raspberry Pi colo in my server place, or not colo, dedicated servers. Once I get one of these Turing Pi machines on Pigs Can Fly. Scala compilable only dependency. Here we go, yeah. Or should I say provided? Okay. Okay. That's how they're doing it. That's an interesting approach. Let's see if that works. Oh, no, I need to do a reload. Cool. Looks like it fetched Iceberg. Okay. Okay. Hold on, Caro. Object is going to, can you define what clean code is in my opinion? I mean, that's really hard. Clean code is readable code normally. But beyond that is a very, very philosophical question. And I need more snacks to answer that. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. On that note, as you can tell, that's a... I mean, yeah, don't repeat yourself. That's legit. I think it can be taken too far, of course. I think sometimes it's okay to repeat yourself if it makes much more readable code, but of course there's downsides there where, like, you know, we can end up fixing the same bug twice. It's complicated. I am going to take a break for a while. So actually, we're gonna stop the stream. Let's go back to talk mode. Yeah. So I'm gonna wrap up more or less now because I think it's a good time to break for lunch. I need some coffee and lunch, and I need to take some Advil and stuff. Yeah, thanks so much for joining, AK. It's really nice chatting. And Rishi too, thanks for joining, and everyone else who didn't chat. I'm glad you're here as well. But yeah, I'll probably come back this afternoon and we'll work more on this plugin, and I'll try and figure out how the hell I make a Java agent. I do remember the most recent Java agent that I remember is the dynamic patching one, I want to say. So I might go look up that Java agent. No, I appreciate the random questions. It's really great. This, honestly, I focus more on getting stuff done, even with the random questions, just because like I'm not, checking everything that's happening every 5 minutes. Okay, yeah. But on that note, I am going to go and grab some coffee and figure out lunch and all those fun things. And then I'll probably be back. Let's take a look at my calendar. Yeah, I'll probably be back around like, I want to say like 1:30-ish. And we'll keep working on this. And I'm excited. I think we can probably get at least some progress. So see y'all around. Bye.